So guys, can you actually tell that I have it in? I bet it's pretty hard. Now you can tell if I show you up here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little tough for me to show you guys. But this is it. It's running inside. So it is inside my ear. Wow. And you can definitely hear the amplify like crazy. Like it's awesome. This is really nice. I was gonna give this to somebody, but maybe I better keep it for when I get older. Yeah, very nice. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the quality. I'm impressed with the box and everything. I'm very impressed. Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today we're showing you the Alpha Pro. These are the Alpha Pro hearing aids. So these are actually smart hearing aids. I like this box, so I like to go over and look at boxes. I know a lot of people don't really care, so if you guys want some more information, you can pause the video right here. But let's just jump right to it. Very nice presentation in the box, so if you guys are getting this as a gift, it is really nice. So it shows you guys here. Begin wearing them for 1 or 2, you guys can pause the video if you want to read more. Wow. So your accessories are all down in here as well. But this is it. Comes in a really nice carrying case. Charge it on the back there. Take a look at this. They're inside here. Wow. This is nice. So as soon as you put them in, they're going to start charging. It says R for right, L for left. Wow. These are really nice. Look at this. Like, they're not that thick, so they're not going to bug you. You can adjust the settings on here. Wow. I'm very impressed, guys. Wow.